Kids, we need to go out and buy Christmas decorations today.
Really? Can we get new lights for the tree?
Yes, but first you must put on warm clothes. It's very cold outside.
What should we wear?
A warm jacket, gloves, socks, and winter boots.
Do we need hats too?
Yes, hats will help you stay warm while we shop.
I want to pick out a big star for the top of the tree.
You can choose one at the store.
Okay, I'll put on my scarf.
And I'll get my jacket now.
Good. When everyone is ready, we will go to the store and buy lights, ornaments, and a star.
I'm excited.
Me too.
All right, dress warm. Let's go decorate our Christmas tree. Look, these lights are nice.
Yeah, I like them. Should we get 2 boxes?
Maybe just one. The tree is not very big.
True. Oh, look at these ornaments. They're cute.
Yes, the red ones look good.
Put them in the cart.
Okay. Do you want a new star for the top?
Yes, this gold one is pretty.
I agree. Let's take it.
Do we need more hooks for the ornaments?
Yes, grab a small pack.
Done. Do you like this ribbon?
It's nice, but maybe choose a lighter color.
Okay, how about this one?
Perfect. Put it in.
Do we need anything else?
Maybe some fake snow spray.
Good idea. It makes the tree look fun.
All right, I'll get 1 can.
Are we ready to check out?
Yeah, I think we have everything.
Great. Let's pay and go home to decorate.
I can't wait. Our tree will look so beautiful. Wow, this ice rink is so big.
Yeah, it's nice. Are you ready to skate?
I think so, but I'm a little scared.
Don't worry, I'll help you.
Okay, what do I do first?
Stand straight and bend your knees a little.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Now hold my hand.
Thanks. I feel safer like this.
Try to slide your feet slowly.
Oh no, I am slipping.
It's okay. Keep your balance. Look forward, not down.
Right, I'll try again.
Nice. You moved a little.
Really? I did it.
Yes, you did. Let's go a bit more.
Okay. Wow, I'm moving.
You're doing great.
This is fun. I thought it would be scary.
See? Ice skating's easy when you relax.
Let's skate around the rink.
Yeah, let's go. Stay close to me.
I will. Thanks for teaching me.
Anytime. Let's have fun.
This snow is great for a snowman.
Yeah, it's perfect. Let's make a big one.
I'll start rolling the base.
Okay, I'll make the middle ball. Life feels calm today. Yeah, I needed a break. School was heavy.
Same here. I just wanted some quiet time.
Christmas always helps me relax.
Do you go to church on Christmas?
Yeah, I go with my family. It's tradition. That sounds nice. I go sometimes, not every year. It's very peaceful. Lots of music and candles. I might go this year. I want a quiet moment. You should. It feels really good. The snowman's head is ready. Great. Let's add a scarf and buttons. He looks strong now. Yeah, he's perfect. This is a nice day. It is. Good snow and good company. Simple things make life better.
The cookies are done.
They smell amazing.
Yeah, they look perfect. Let's let them cool.
Which one should we decorate first?
Maybe the heart cookie. It's simple.
Good idea. I'll get the red icing.
I'll grab the sprinkles.
Your icing looks so smooth.
Thanks, honey. I practiced last year. Should we make some cookies for friends too?
Yeah, that would be nice.
The snowflake cookie is hard.
Try small lines. It's easier.
Okay. Hey, it looks good now.
See, you're getting better.
I like doing this with you.
Me too. It feels cozy.
Do you want to play Christmas music later?
Sure, it makes the room warm.
When we finish, let's put these cookies in a cute box.
Yeah, and we can snack on a few tonight.
This is a relaxing Christmas afternoon.
Yeah, good cookies and good time together.
The tree looks nice already.
Yeah, but it still needs more decorations. Can you pass me the lights?
Sure, here you go. I love these warm lights.
Me too. They feel cozy.
Should we add the red ornaments now?
Yeah, put them on the top part.
Okay, can you do the bottom?
Yes, I got it.
The ribbon looks cute. Where should it go?
Maybe around the middle of the tree.
Nice. It looks much better now.
Yeah, very Christmassy.
Do we put the star on top now?
Yes, that's the last step. You can do it. You're taller.
All right, I'll try there.
Wow, the tree looks beautiful. Yeah, I love it. Simple and warm. Let's turn off the room lights.
Good idea.
The tree shines so well.
This feels like real Christmas.
Yeah, I'm glad we decorated together.
Dinner's ready. Come sit, you two.
Everything looks so cozy tonight.
Yay! Christmas dinner.
The turkey cooked really well.
And the mashed potatoes came out soft.
I helped mix the butter.
Yes, you did. Good job, my boy.
Who wants turkey first?
Me. A little piece.
Dad, here you go.
Don't forget the gravy.
Thank you, Dad.
The house feels warm today.
Christmas makes everything peaceful.
I love eating together.
I think we should go outside after dinner.
Really? Yay! Where are we going?
Maybe to see the Christmas lights in the neighborhood.
And maybe get hot chocolate too.
Yes, that sounds so cool. I want to go, Mom.
Yes, honey, we'll take you there.
A perfect Christmas night. Now, let's finish and dress up.
The Christmas tree is waving at us.
It's really pretty in here tonight.
Yeah, the lights make everything feel warm.
The candles look so nice.
I love how soft the glow is.
The choir is singing so gently.
Yeah, it feels peaceful.
Look at the tree near the front. It's so simple but beautiful.
I like this quiet.
Me too. It feels good to just stand here with you.
The colored windows look amazing.
Yeah, the red and blue look brighter at night.
I'm happy we came.
Same. I needed a calm moment.
Christmas always feels special in places like this.
Yeah, warm, quiet, and safe.
Let's stay a little longer.
Yeah, I'm really enjoying this with you.
Are you ready for your Christmas story?
Yes, Mom, I love this book.
Okay, let's start. It was the night before Christmas.
That sounds so cozy already.
The house was quiet. Everyone was sleeping.
Like us right now.
Yes, just like us.
What happens next?
Santa came with his reindeer.
Wow, I like the reindeer part.
He brought gifts for the children.
For good children.
Yes, for good children.
I'm good, right?
Of course you are.
Yay.
Santa put the gifts under the tree.
I can't wait to see ours tomorrow.
Me too. Christmas morning is special.
Tell me more, Mom. Santa smiled and flew back into the sky. That's a nice ending.
Yeah, it's a warm Christmas story. I like when you read to me. I like reading to you too.
Can we read another one tomorrow?
Of course, it's Christmas week.
Yay. Good night, Mom.
Good night, sweetheart. Sleep well.
It's Christmas morning.
Yes, it's Christmas morning.
The gifts are waiting for us.
Can I open this one first?
Sure, go ahead.
Wow, it's a new snow globe.
That's from us. We knew you'd like it.
I love it. It's so pretty.
Check the next one.
Okay, this one is soft.
Open it and see.
A Christmas sweater.
Try it on. It looks cute. I think it will fit you.
Try it on. It looks cute. I think it will fit you.
Yes, go for it.
Oh my, a toy train set.
We knew you wanted one.
Thank you. This is the best morning.
We're happy you like everything.
Can we play with the train later?
Of course, after breakfast.
Christmas morning is fun.
Yeah, being together makes it special.
I love Christmas with you both.
We love Christmas with you too.